What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about some hidden features that you've got in your crown that you might not even know that you had. Now, I think they're a little bit quirky, a little bit fun. Some of them maybe not so secret, but let's jump on in and I'll show you what I found. Alright, so let's cover some of these cool little features. Now, first feature I thought was amazing is your side mirrors. When you hit the demist, there's actually a heating element in there that heats up your side mirrors and demists your mirrors. That's insane. That's such a good little feature. I wish it was actually like a cold day today so I could show you, but I can't. But yeah, you'll see any of you that are in the car and you put your demist on and your mirrors are fogged up, keep an eye on it and you'll see like a little square just kind of like out there, and it heats it up and clears it, which is awesome. One that you probably all know about, but if you don't, you need to know about the rear cool box. So there's a little fridge in there. Now it's, it's not a fridge, it's a cool box. So you've got some drinks, keep them in there, keep them nice and cool, but they are not gonna freeze your stuff. You know, it's not a proper refrigerated setup, but it is a cool box. And that's a really cool feature, in my opinion. While we're in the back, you've also got your rear sunshade. Now that's a pretty cool feature if you got someone behind you with their high beams on. Oh, cut that out straight away. So good. And on the sunshade, yeah, no, not over there, not over there. Well, you've got them built into your door. So that's pretty sick. They just pull down into the top of the door there. They hook up on a couple little hooks on the top. So you can get this back area really, really dark. Like the lighting at the moment is great, but it's pitch black in the back when you've got all of that up. It's just, I've got the sunroof open so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. Another awesome feature, guys, is you have a air purifier and an ionizer as well. So you've actually got an ionizer in the car, which sends out electrical charges to attach to harmful like germs and stuff, essentially. That's how I read it. I tried to do a little bit of a Google so you guys have a bit more information. But yeah, you got a little interior filter and ionizer. That's awesome. Now this feature I had to lock the car for, but this one's pretty special, especially living in Australia when it's really, really hot summer days and your car's baking hot inside, and as you're walking up to it you want it to cool down. You just press the unlock button once and then you hold it on the second press. And all your windows come down automatically, so all that heat can just bellow out of the car while you're walking over to it. That's such a sick feature, and you can actually put them all up again by pressing the lock button and then holding it on the second one. So sick. Now one other little feature, it's not like super cool, but I thought it would just be nice, especially anyone that's using these cars for like a chauffeur kind of situation, with multiple passengers or whatever. Have a look. So as you guys probably know, the rear seats do recline, and if you want you can unrecline them by just pressing this button here. And while we're on the subject of buttons, if you come over here, guys, now this can be for extra security or whatever you want, but in your glove box, hidden behind my VIP table, just back there, you see it, there's just a little button back here that deactivates your trunk latch. So you can't open your trunk anymore. So any of you that can't open your trunk, that's probably the issue. Just press that button and yeah, it won't let you open your trunk anymore from the outside. So just, it's like a override trunk lock kind of thing. So I think that's because you've got a proximity key, you know, so if you're close enough to the trunk with the key, you can open it up. Now, if you want people to not be able to do that, you can press that button and then you know that they're not gonna be able to get in the trunk when you're like walking past the car or near the car or whatever it may be. Say, for example, maybe you work in an office that's directly in front of where you park your car, like maybe there's a little footpath and then your car's there, and you don't want people to be able to open your doors and so on because your key may be a little bit too close. I think that's probably too far, but just as an example, you can press that button, lock it, no one can get in your boot, and it's nice and secure. So ladies, you can put your handbags in there, lock it, you know it's safe. So guys, there's just a few hidden features I found on the Crown. If you've got any other ones, let me know, put them in the comments below. I'd really love to have a remote start on this car, but I don't think it's an option. If it is a hidden option, I've been trying to do like all these button combinations and stuff for Lexuses and... Lexuses? Is that a word? You know, all those little things that they do with their remote key start, but it hasn't been working. So I don't think it's an option on these, or I'm just not getting the right combination. If you've got it, chuck it in the comments or DM me, because that'd be sick to be able to do that. Just walk up to the car and start it. I might actually install it if it's not a feature. So I hope you liked this, guys. I hope it was a little bit of fun for you guys to see some cool features on your Crowns you might not have known of, or like I said, in the comments, there might be some other ones. Some other guys may drop some down below and you'll be able to check them out. If you liked it, like the bird did, he's having a little chirp at me. If you like the video, give it a like, give it a subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.